Hi guys, so I just want to do a quick little intro, a quick little explanation, disclaimer, whatever you want to call it. Right before I get started on this video, just a couple of things I have to say. So I want to let you guys know, and I want to show you guys why I don't do as much creative makeups on Instagram as I used to do, and also here on YouTube. So I've been working pretty hard this entire week creating some looks for you guys, and my skin it's doing okay because I know how to take care of it now, but I did have not a crazy breakout, but a breakout all here. You see this is very annoying, and then all of these right here. But I just wanted to show you guys that when I do crazy makeup, or when I do a lot of makeup, heavy makeup, use all these, latex and all of that other stuff on my face, my skin is very sensitive. It became very sensitive, so I can't quite do it as much as I used to. I am sacrificing a little bit now because it is Halloween, and I really just wanted to I'm like, okay, you know what? I'm just gonna do it right now because it's Halloween, and I know how to take care of my skin. Thank you, Aline, because you taught me well. The biggest piece of information that I need to give you guys for this video, I have no idea what I'm doing. So I saw this in the Halloween store. It's a unicorn horn, and I was like, oh, I can do like a unicorn makeup look and blah blah blah. And then I come home and I'm like, a unicorn makeup look is kind of whack. But then I was like, oh, I can do a unicorn zombie, and I'm like, that's also lame. I feel like if I do a unicorn zombie, if I just do like regular pretty unicorn makeup and then just do a unicorn zombie, like whatever that entails, is just gonna look really boring and it's lame. But I might end up doing it. I'm gonna start with is doing just an actual like glittery, colorful, bright unicorn something, and then from there I'll see if I want to turn it into like an evil dark unicorn or whatever. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you decide to recreate this, then please tag me. And yeah, so let's get right into the video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And let's get right into the video. a regular unicorn look because boring. And I also didn't want to do what I initially was gonna do, like a zombie unicorn, because I thought it was also boring. So I just came up with this look. A lot of people have been doing this in a different way. Like they'll just do, I guess, regular makeup and then like a skeleton on this side. So I took that same idea and concept and put it into like unicorn versus like, I don't know, like a dark world or whatever you want to call this. I actually got this inspiration like a gray toned gray scaled monster from Nicole Guerrero, and this one is just a very simple one. I got some glitter on my lips, don't mind that. But yeah, this is exactly what I came up with. You can totally try to blend this horn in more for like Halloween if you're actually going out, or you can leave it like this because obviously it's not real, so who cares. But you can definitely do that with like latex or like wax. If you guys enjoyed this look, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in my next video.